So now a most wonderful concept about the hardware of the computer system is that all the hardware of the computer systems may be work as the input and output devices. All the hardware of the computer systems may be work as input and output devices. So now we are going to discussing some basic terminologies of the computer systems which are more important and which are more basic. So the first terminology is called the input devices. What are input devices? The devices which is used to data inputs. The devices which is used to input the data in the computer system is called the input devices, or you can say that the devices which we use to input the data in the computer system is called the input devices. Like you can say that mouse, keyboard, touchpad, scanner. These are input devices. Microphone, digital camera, etc. So the second terminology is called output devices. What are output devices? The devices which we use to get the output information from the computer system is called the output devices. The devices which we use to get the output information from the computer systems are called the output devices. Like you can say that monitor, display, printer, speaker. These are output devices. So now here a question which arises is that what type of the device which use as the input and output at a time. The device which is used as the input as the output at a time, which is called a touch screen. Touch screen is the only device which is used as the input devices and output devices at a time. So now the third terminology is called the data. What is data? You can say that the set of the tasks given to the computer system. The set of the tasks given to the computer system is called data. And the fourth terminology is called information. What is information? The set of the processing data is called information. The set of the processing data is called information. And the fifth terminology is processing data. The data which is processed by the computer system is called the processing data. So if you want to give the examples of the data and information and processing data, then this is a very wonderful examples on a calculator system. So you know calculator is a small and pocket computer. If you write the 2 plus 3, if you write the 2 plus 3 on a calculator, then you know calculator is a small computer. So then if you write 2 plus 3 on a calculator, then you press the equal sign, then the 2 plus 3 data is processed and the calculator show the answer 5. So 2 plus 3 is a data. When 2 plus 3 is processed by the calculator, then this is called the processed data. And when the calculator shows the answer 5, this is the information. So this is the information of the computer systems or calculator systems. And one more terminology is a computer. What is computer? So you can say that all the devices which contain electric current, all the devices which contain electric current are called a computer. So you can give the examples of the computer is a, you can say that our fan is a computer. How can we say that our fan is a computer? It is because fan is contain electric current, and when you put the button of the fan, then our fan is moving and giving air. So you put the button of the fan, this is the input. The fan is moving, this is the processing. And the air which is coming from the fan is the output. So everything which contain the electric current in it is called a computer.